Welcome to my presentation on VISTA's business value to the Veterans Administration. The purpose of this exercise is to calculate the business value of VISTA to the Veterans Health Administration. The Veterans Health Administration is the component of the United States Department of Veterans Affairs, also known as VA, that implements the medical assistant program of the VA through the administration and operation of numerous VA outpatient clinics, hospitals, medical centers, and long-term health care facilities. With so many technology projects failing to accomplish their goals, it is important to assess the value of IT investment by looking at the methodology of evaluating the value of IT projects, which also helps to reduce unwanted expenditures and an increase in revenue. VISTA stands for Veterans Health Administration and Technology Architecture. For each patient, a single health record is immediately available in outpatient, inpatient, and long-term care settings. It is one of the most widely used electronic health records in the world. As of December 1, 2006, the Veterans Health Administration had 5.3 million patients with approximately 7.7 million enrollees. Its $30 million budget provided 1,400 sites of care, with about 200,000 employees and affiliations with 107 academic health systems. I evaluated the business value of VISTA to the VA healthcare system by using three variables to compare, which include budget of Office of Information, number of records in VISTA, and VHA cost per patient index. The data used in this exercise were provided by the Department of Veterans Affairs Office of the Budget. On August 20, 2007, data about the budget of the Office of Information in the last 10 years and the number of patient records in the VISTA database were requested under the Freedom of Information Act. On October 16, 2007, the data was made available for us. In order to analyze the business value, I used a three-step method of analysis. The first step required gathering data on the three variables mentioned in the previous slide. The second step includes examining association between IT costs, use, and revenue. The final step involves examining causation of the variables. Displayed here is a scatter diagram showing the relationships between budget of Office of Information and VHA cost per patient index. The correlation shown by the letter R indicates the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. The closer the coefficient is to 1, the stronger the correlation between the variables. If the variables are independent, then the correlation is 0. In this diagram, R equals 0.92, and it indicates that there is a large correlation between IT investment and cost of care. Displayed here is a scatter diagram showing the relationship between the budget of Office of Information and the number of records. R equals 0.52. And this indicates that there is a medium correlation between IT investment and number of records. Displayed here is a scatter diagram showing the relationship between the VHA cost per patient index and number of records. R equals 0.06, and this indicates that there is a small correlation between cost of care and number of records. In conclusion, the data indicates that IT investment comes before changes in cost of care. Also, the results of our findings shows that there is a strong correlation between the budget of Office of Information and cost of care. After further analysis, several limitations were found, the first being that the three variables were measured over a short time frame. Also, this analysis only provides a correlation between variables and does not show causation.